So maybe you're interested in tender. Tender is it for Oja, several bedroom jape, and I'm what they call water supply. Yet I make us say most of the tenders no. To buy me war or na me ye mo. Tender no buy she no be use you. E dey am obi. She e won fie. To me name say sign for no. Omo special connection there I don't know. Because I know say we have cars in which are meant for water supply. But tenders no omo dey water supply. But we will say water supply.
Yes. It is called the humanitarian service. So fire service doesn't only fight fire. We do rescue. Yeah, rescue. We'll be drowning. Eh? The first people to call is the Ghana National Fire Service. And when it comes to humanitarian service, the whole Canadian United is classified under humanitarian service. When it got to the time of COVID, the Ghana National Fire Service was supplying water to almost every home. Yes. Because you sure it wasn't there. And you have to do it. We relay it on the water as a your special duties. It is humanitarian service. It is part of our duty to do it. Into being of course, oh yes, you're supposed to. Into power brand.
But I know you're free.
You are not supposed to pay for the water, but you pay for the transportation. So whichever way you take it, but it is a humanitarian service, you get it. For example, the COVID one I'm talking about, people weren't paying, but we were obliged to be supplying water. So PCC was online, they campaign a lot of the COVID personnel. And now the tender was always moving them to supply water. Not to make us every time they attend and they are taking money. You get it? Because it is humanitarian service, which is part of our duty.
And then the first time I met say most of that is because it was say so no one make am do go so no man dey fight fire. Satan tenders na would supply so e wo efie na that's.
When it comes to firefighting, about to say fuel, about to say petrol, gas, it is true we use something called foam. Okay, foam. I had to say seminar and mixing so it comes out as foam. But there is a special thing and only see foam because we know that fire service is not only for firefighting. We don't pour it into the thing. So we don't do that. We have a inducer and a converting a fry isuno and a seminar, seminar for all of us to understand, to be able to come out. But any seminar normal because BBS is also go try with seminar. It is a solution. It is a solution near the fighting fire. But we don't pour it into the tender. It is outside it and it misses it. Yes, ma'am. I can ask 2 questions, then I move to the preventive measures.
Na senso to busua ha na bomb we be one shin cover na so to ha na bomb Bob.
Light bulb. Yeah. Oh, a lot of bulbs. Once and share, but once say if wires when they have you, if the wire connecting it is exposed, I expose now. And no cry no say I can't boom and but once the two a couple once a woman say wires na a baby. Into what say. Na a candy near and also what here, and no idea say but if you also know I don't think say it's a problem. But I'm not an authority because me used to do it. But Kakana I'm working and
now I feel so no. You're charging phone now. Now you receive call. phone or chat. Now on your TikTok near there. I am Miss Row, Baraka. Omunti, for some monopause at you now.
And no matter what came me, there was something who charge for now saying, what's the phone? Sometimes I won't know just so that's why you're not phone. And that heat can cause fire.
Yes, chat.
Maybe I try. So I'll have to move.
One last question.
I didn't say that. They can say the yapa say be a friend casual. No more tender or more can I then I say ya. Your friend will say, oh, a stop your casual. Or if you say your friend and I starting. So the extinguisher you could do Miss Nevia, a very fast. But you are saying, but I could do on now. Your father say, I didn't say. Only tender, but before I move, you know. Now I can't share. That is what you don't know. Before I move, you say, all back fire see one. No, I can't share a fire master control. That's on the nearest station. It is before we do one of other station or pass or mobile. That is how we work. But you are saying, it's not as if so. You can't try or share that. We don't do assessments with